Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Vulcan S. This one has ABS brakes. It's the SE edition with the quick release mini fairing, two-tone paint. It also has a gorgeous Corbin saddle. Very nice condition, only 10,000 miles. Brand new tires, front and rear. Come on by, make your Vulcan S twin-cylinder 650 cruiser dreams come true for just $64.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. This bike is gorgeous, it's not going to be here long. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.